Welcome to another Software Ideas Modeler tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to efficiently move elements between diagrams. So, let's dive in and see how easy it is to change the project structure. First things first, we need to locate the element we want to move in the project tree. The project tree is your gateway to navigating through all the elements and diagrams within your project. If you can't see the project tree on your sidebar, don't worry, it's easy to bring it up. Simply head to the View tab on the ribbon, look for the Sidebar's drop-down button in the window group, and choose Project Tree. Voila! Your project tree should now be visible. Now, let's get to moving our elements. It's really as simple as drag and drop. But what if we want to move multiple elements at once? No problem at all. To select more than one element, just hold down the Control key and click on each element you wish to move. However, if the elements are close together in one area of the diagram, there's an even easier method. Using the Selection tool in the diagram editor, we'll perform an area selection. Simply click and drag to create a selection box around the elements you want to move, like this actor and its use cases. Once selected, it's time to move them. Click, drag your selected elements, and then drop them onto the node of another diagram within the project tree. It's as simple as that. You can move them individually or in groups, whatever suits your needs. When you open the target diagram, you'll notice the elements you moved are now present, and importantly, they're no longer in the original diagram. This effortless process ensures that your models remains flexible and adaptable to changes. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to move elements between diagrams in Software Ideas Modeler. Experiment with this feature to streamline your diagramming workflow and enhance your project organization. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Software Ideas Modeler. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy diagramming!